Today we have the class of movements of intestine. Movements of intestine or intestinal movement. General principles of gastrointestinal functions. Motility. What is the meaning of motility? Is the movement. It is for the digestion and absorption of food. The characteristics are functional syncytium, 3 layers of smooth muscle of intestine will have the functional syncytium. It acts as functional syncytium. Functional types of gastrointestinal movements. These are propulsive movements and mixing movements. Propulsive movements are contraction ring and receptive relaxation. Under mixing movements are peristaltic contractions, local constrictive contractions. Propulsive movements are contraction ring and receptive relaxation. Mixing movements are peristaltic contractions, local constrictive contractions. Small intestinal motility. After that, we will be going for the large intestine. The motility can be during interdigestive period and also digestive period, and because of motility reflexes, the food will be propelled from one area to other area and also aid in the digestive period. Migratory motor complexes. What is meant by migratory motor complexes? These are the peristaltic waves. Begins at esophagus and removes remaining food interdigestive. That is called as housekeepers. Migratory motor complex. The rate is 5 centimeters per minute every 60 to 90 minutes. We will see the MMC every 60 to 90 minutes. Each one will be 5 centimeters per minute. Close correlation between BR and MMC. Associated with increase in the gastric secretion, bile flow and pancreatic secretion. Abolished immediately with the entry of food. During digestive period, mixing movements we have propulsive movements and movements of villi. And mixing movements responsible for mixing of chyme with digestive juices. Intestine, bile and pancreatic juices includes segmental contractions, pendular movements. Rate and duration 12 times per minute in the duodenum, 8 times per minute in the ileum. Two types: eccentric contractions, concentric contractions. Eccentric is less than 2 centimeters in length, whereas the concentric is longer than 2 centimeters in length. Control. Initiation occurs only when slow waves produce spikes or action potential. Frequency directly related to frequency of slow waves and controlled by pacemaker cells. Strength proportional to frequency of spike generated by slow waves. Pendular movements. Small constrictive waves sweep forward and backward or upward or downward in pendular fashion. Propulsive movements involves in pushing the chyme towards the aboral end. These include peristaltic contractions and peristaltic rush. Here we can see the bolus of food. Peristaltic contractions features. Wave of contraction proceed by wave of relaxation. Highly coordinated involve contraction of segment behind bolus and relaxation in front. Consists of deep circular ring at 0.5 to 2 centimeters per second. Chyme move at 1 centimeter per minute. So 3 to 4 hours from pylorus to ileocecal valve, which takes 3 to 4 hours. From pylorus to ileocecal valve. Starling. Polarity of intestine, polar conduction of intestine, electrical activity of intestine, law of gut, theory of receptive relaxation. Peristaltic contraction travel from the point of stimulation in both directions, but contraction in oral direction disappears and persists in the aboral direction. This is the law of intestine. Peristaltic contraction travels from point of stimulation in both directions, but contraction in oral direction disappear and persist in aboral direction. Peristaltic contractions functions. It propulsion of the food and digestion and absorption of the food. How it is initiation, stimulus, distension is the stimulus, mesenteric plexus, rate is 2 to 2.5 centimeters per second. Local stretch with food will release the serotonin, activate sensory neurons, and stimulate mesenteric plexus. Activity travel in either direction to release acetylcholine and substance P circular constriction, and some of the substances will be released, nitrous oxide and vasointestinal peptide and ATP. Thereby there is receptor relaxation. Here the peristaltic contractions we see 5-hydroxytryptamine, that is will release serotonin and it will stimulate the acetylcholine. This acetylcholine has muscarinic action on the smooth muscle. Stimulatory neurons will release acetylcholine. Very powerful peristaltic contractions when intestinal mucosa irritated, partly initiated by extrinsic nervous system and partly by mesenteric reflex, begins in the duodenum through entire length up to ileocecal valve. Relieve small intestine irritant or extensive distension. Example is diarrhea. Movements of villi features consist of alternative shortening and elongation of villi by contraction and relaxation of the muscles. Initiation, local nervous reflexes. Villikinin, that is the villikinin hormone from small intestinal. Large intestine motility, slow wave activity, coordinated by basic electrical rhythm or slow wave activity. Frequency of slow wave activity gradually increases down the L1, 9 per minute ileocecal wall to 16 per minute at sigmoid colon. Large intestine movements, functions, absorption. Mainly the large intestine is concerned with the absorption of water and electrolytes from the chyme, proximal. Storage of fecal matter. Contractile activity serves two main functions. Increase efficacy for absorption, promotes excretion of fecal flings types. Similar to segmental contraction, circular muscle contraction, circular rings. Longitudinal muscle contraction, portion between the ring bulge in bag-like sacs, that we call it as hastrations, disappear within 60 seconds. Functions are mixing and propulsion. Peristalsis. Progressive contractions preceded by repetitive wave of relaxation. Take up to 42 hours to travel up to. Types. Massive movements. Special types of peristaltic contractions in colon only. 3 to 4 times a day after a meal. Contractions of the smooth muscle over a large area distal to the constriction. Forces fecal matter into the rectum, initiate defecation reflex. Can be initiated by gastrocolic reflex, intense stimulation of parasympathetic nerves, over distension of segment. Defecation reflex, functional anatomy. Internal anal sphincter, involuntary, circular smooth muscles of the pelvirectal flexure. We have in the picture you can see. Parasympathetic is inhibitory, sympathetic is excitatory to it. External anal sphincter is somatoskeletal muscle supplied by pudendal nerves. Defecation reflex, act of defecation involves both voluntary and reflex activity. Reflex contraction of the distal colon and rectum propel fecal matter in the anal canal. Reflex relaxation of internal anal sphincter. Reflex relaxation with voluntary control of external anal sphincter and voluntary control of abdominal muscle. And events associated with the distension of the rectum. Usually rectum is empty as frequency of contractions is greater in the rectum than in sigmoid colon, leads to retrograde movement of the fecal material. Gastrocolic reflex pushes the feces into the rectum, increases the intrarectal pressure passively. Reflex, spinal cord reflex. Intrinsic reflex is mediated by intrinsic nerve plexus. Distension of the rectum initiate afferents through mesenteric plexus, initiate peristalsis in the descending colon, sigmoid colon, rectum, increases intrarectal pressure, relaxation of internal anal sphincter. And spinal cord reflexes are distension of the rectum by feces afferent through pelvic nerves to the sacral part of spinal cord, reflex parasympathetic discharge and pelvic splanchnial nerves to cause intense peristaltic contraction, rectal pressure above 55 millimeters, relaxation of the internal anal sphincter. Events associated. Role of voluntary control on defecation. When defecation is not allowed, voluntary control maintains contraction of the external sphincter by pudendal nerve. Internal sphincter closes. Rectum relaxes to accommodate more fecal matter. When defecation is allowed, external sphincter relaxed voluntarily. Intra-abdominal pressure raised by the valsalva minor. Smooth muscles of distal colon, rectum contract forcefully and propel fecal matter outside. Voluntary initiation of the defecation. Before pressure reaches this both sphincter less than 55 millimeters and more than 18 millimeters of mercury by voluntarily relaxing external sphincter and contracting abdominal. Defecation in infants, automatic emptying of the lower bowel without voluntary control. Individual with spinal cord sections or any damage to the initial retention of the feces occurs. Later reflex returns quickly as rectal pressure reaches 55 millimeters. Reflex evacuation occurs automatically. Role of dietary fiber increases the bulk of feces. It plays a role in distending disease. Aganglionic megacolon. Congenital absence of Arbox flexus in the wall of rectosigmoid region. And blockage of peristalsis and mass contractions leads to dilatation of colon, cutting the aganglionic portion of the pelvic rectal junction and anastomosic cut ends. Constipation, failure of voiding of feces due to infrequent mass movements in the colon. Feces remains in the colon for longer time, becomes hard and dry due to fluid absorption. Due to irregular bowel habits, person will have constipation. Thank you.